Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back and we're gonna do something a little bit fun. Well, fun to me, you know, if it's makeup it's fun. So if you want to see what look I come up with and what I have in store for you guys, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Driving around in California, looking for
Okay, so I thought it would be kind of cute to just kind of do like a duel, you know. So $125 palette from McGrath versus a $6 palette. I think that palette is actually $24.99, but I paid $6 for it. So $125 versus $6. $6 versus $125. So let's see how they perform, you know. So let's jump into the video. Yeah. So let me see. So I'm gonna go. I don't remember which one is this. Mothership 4. This is Mothership 4. So we're gonna go into this shade right here. Right here. And I'm gonna put it in my Ultra V. So I'm gonna try to do the looks like the same look but in different shades, if that makes any sense. Man, McGrath is the best though. This is the T4 from Makeup Shack. She don't play. Okay. No, I need another blush. I need another blush. This is a T50. And I'm gonna go into this shade. Actually, maybe I can just hold this. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Right here. This might be a little bit too dark actually. Well, let's see, because this is super dark. So let's see. Okay, so now that I've done that part, this is a T51. What was this? Oh, that's a T50. That's a T51. Are we gonna go in my NYX glitter glue, and I'm actually gonna go into this shade right here, you know, this shifty shade right here, this one. Ooh, look at this. This is like wet and amazing. Ooh, this is delicious. Delicious. But anti-pad do not come to play. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into this shade right here, this nice reddish shade. I'm gonna use that to just buff these two colors together. Great. So it's just like cool. Now we're gonna go back. And I'm just gonna like just tap this right here. Okay. Man, this is so cute. So now let's go to this eye. I know I haven't really been doing both of my eye on camera, but since I'm doing two different palettes, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But I will go off camera to do my brow. This is a T11. We're gonna go into this shade right here called Whatever, and this is a Pinky Rose palette, my $6 palette. And this right here. Again, the look won't be exactly the same. I'm gonna try, but to use like similar. No, I mean, don't even say that because those palettes, they're not even like on the, like they don't look alike. I didn't have anything that like looked like my McGrath palette, so I was like, okay, it's just gonna be two different things, but it's cool. See, this is good. Now let us go into Oh my god, I literally just washed my brushes and now I'm dirty in a ton of them. So this is another T11. Let's go into this shade right here called Rad.
I'm an odd person. I run in dark circles. I would love a long life because I love how life's worthless.
Okay,
I'm a paint purple.
so this is
Blue's overrated. We all
done. Let me get another
lost
brush.
love like love's our savior. It's a dark
Let's use this T52.
cutting pretty cards.
Sometimes I have these things like right here and then I just like move and then I can't find it. I need my glitter glue.
Probably try and be something greater. Fuck it, I'm my favorite. You could tell me something different, but I probably wouldn't listen. No, I probably wouldn't listen. The word, that's the ego.
Trying to figure out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this shade in that says Damn Gina.
All if I'm not careful. I sound scared. You feel that my heart's there though.
See that shimmer is just not the same. But again, I didn't think it was gonna be, you know, the same. But I wanted to test them against each other to be like, is it just totally worth it to get a $125 palette, you know? Or if you can still create just cool looks, just buying a $6 palette. See the brush from Luna Magic. I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Lefty, and I'm gonna just use that just to blend these two shades together, like right here. Okay, perfect. So that's it for the eye. I'm gonna go off camera, put on my lashes, and then I'll be right back to do the face. Okay, so we're back. Eyes are done. I actually really like how the eye came out. I will give my thoughts, you know, at the end of the video on what I think about, you know, how they perform and stuff like that. So now we're gonna jump into the face. I'm actually gonna do what I've been doing my last videos or my last few videos. I'm not gonna do any foundation. I'm just gonna do contour and concealer. So for my concealers, I'm gonna use the Tarte tip. I'm gonna use two different shades. This is the medium. Then I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place foundation stick. Ooh, nope, mess. This is dirty. I think I had it too much up and it just made a mess. Let's clean that up. Well. And now I'm gonna use this shade again, still the Tarte Shape Tape, but this is in what, 10 Cent Dip. Let's use this brush right here. This is a Sephora, what? It's a Pro Demi fan and it's a 72. Just to blend this out. Let's blend this concealer before it just becomes like a total mess, because that concealer dries really fast. Let's use my 733 from Luxie. This concealer dries so fast. Something you can do too, like if you know the concealer is really dry and you can't move it, what you can do is you can spray your face with a setting spray. Sorry, I leave it just enough, but not too much, if that makes sense. But a little bit longer, then I'll need that. I look funny. Okay, let us go in and let's blend everything together. Let's use this brush right here. This is what 03 brush from NYX. I love how this looks. I keep giving these powders like chances, but because I already have it, so I might as well use it. Let's go in with my nice and damp sponge. See, I'm just trying this a different way. Maybe this is the way to do it with a sponge. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder on my Luxie 734. Is that a 734? Yep. Powder brush. Let's go in and let's prime my lid real quick. Prime my lid, my waterline. My lid is already primed, and this is a 28 brush from not Sigma, Stila. This brush is so old, but this is just like a regular pointy like pencil brush in one end, and then it has like a little shader brush in the other end. I love this brush. Let's go in with the palettes that I used. First, let's do the Pat McGrath one. Same thing, we're just gonna mimic the shades, or we're just gonna like pretty much duplicate what I do on top and the bottom. When I do this, like I literally go so close to my waterline, which I love. So, and now we're gonna go into the red shade. And then, can I use this brush or maybe I need a new brush? What I like about these shimmers, they're like wet. Love it. Okay, done with this eye. Now let's go to this one. So I have minimal, just like a little bit of fallout. So you know, that's where the difference is gonna come from the palette.
We all so jaded. We all lost love like love's our savior. It's a dark place when it's all
Now we're gonna go same thing. We're gonna go into Lefty and then Dom Gina. I don't know why I say it like that.
Really, I could probably try and be something greater. Fuck it, I'm my favorite. You could tell me something different, but
No, this is like tiring.
I probably wouldn't listen. The word, that's the ego. Scared is taking over.
Now we're gonna go into, you know, the light shade and just bring it down.
But I know I could lose it all if I'm not careful.
I don't know why I put my powder brush. Okay. Now let's go on bronze. Bronze. Actually, before I bronze, I need a little, you know, eye pencil. This is from Makeup Forever, and this is Artist Pencil. What shade is this? Unlimited Blue. I'll put this in this. Let's put Fine Wine from Marc Jacobs here. To bronze, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. This is from, it's the Tropical Vacay from Makeup by Orlando. Let's use this blending. It's a contour blending brush. Whoosh. Too much. Look at all this. Look at all this that I put here. Let's go with this shade from Volume 2. I'm Obsessed. That's from Juvia's Place. Obsessed. I'm gonna use this for Makeup Forever. It's just, you know, a little trio. Let's do the lips. should I do with my lip today? Maybe I'll go neutral a little bit. See, I think if it was just this eye, I don't know how this, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. This is what? Unlocked by Rihanna. Let's dust off this powder. To have a little earrings because I didn't bring any upstairs, and I bring down my hoops. Look at this. This is funny. Okay, so yeah, so that's it guys for this video. You know, let me give my final thoughts on this.
Final round. Fight!
Like, obviously, like, this palette is $125. Pat McGrath is amazing at what she does, and yeah, so those shadows are really easy to blend. You know, they're just like nice and creamy and buttery.
Flawless victory.
But you know, don't knock this. This was $6, and look at the look. Oh, sorry. Look at the look I created with it. So you know, you can still do like amazing looks, you know, by using like inexpensive like palettes. But yeah, I mean, toe to toe, yeah, the Pat McGrath was easier to blend. But if just everyday, you know, what you can afford, get this. You can still do like just amazing looks by getting this. So yeah, so that's it for this video guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you already know what, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Hung up on these road fronts, but I know I could lose it all if I'm not careful. I sound scared, hope you feel that my heart's there though.